Alright, pay the fuck attention because I'm gonna tell you exactly what you need to do if you want to build an aesthetic body for this year's summer, for summer 2025. Okay, I'm not gonna make this video too long, it's only gonna be a couple minutes. So if you can sit down and focus for a few minutes to get the information that could change your life so that you can finally look better, have a better physique, and feel more confident when you have to take off your shirt at the beach, at the pool, whatever the case may be, then you're cooked. So if you can sit through a couple minutes of a video, then you're cooked, okay? This video is only for business owners and entrepreneurs who are overweight, who have fat loose, and basically just want a proven plan so that they can get in great shape, okay? Now, why should you listen to me? Because what I'm teaching you today is literally what I've done, right? I started off my fitness journey over 8 years ago, 8.5, and this was my starting point, right? Here I actually thought I looked good. I didn't. And fast forward, right? This is my transformation, right? And I've also helped a few other people as well, right? And gave them advice so that they can improve their physique too. There are only two steps that you need if you actually want to get this done, right? If you actually want to build an aesthetic body for summer. The first thing that you have to do is you need to put yourself in a calorie deficit. The way you do this is firstly, when you wake up, you take a piss and then you weigh yourself every single day for 2 weeks. Okay, for 14 days straight, you're gonna wake up, you take a piss, whatever, use the bathroom, and then before you eat or drink anything, you're gonna step on the scale and you're gonna weigh yourself pretty much. You're gonna note down what your weight was. And the second thing that you're also gonna do is you're gonna start tracking your food, but not tracking in the sense of like having to track your calories or weigh your food or macros or any of that stuff. You're simply gonna take a Google Doc or your phone, right? A notes app, whatever, and you're gonna just write down what food you ate that day, right? And you're gonna do this for 14 days. For example, let's say today is the 28th of March 2025, and you're gonna write down, okay, 28th of March 2025, what did I eat? Let's say that, for example, for lunch you ate 2 pieces of chicken breast, 6 scoops of rice from the pot, and like 1 serving of vegetables, right? So you're gonna write down here. I'll show you. So you're gonna write this down, okay, like this, and then you write down 2x chicken breast, 6 scoops of rice, 1 serving of vegetables, and you just write this down, and you do this for every single food that you consume, okay? Everything that you put into your mouth, you everything that you consume, whether it's a food or a beverage, a drink, right? You just write it down. Now, this is gonna keep you more accountable and you're actually gonna be aware of what you're eating. And then at the end of the 14 days, once the 14 days are up, you're gonna simply revisit your weight tracker, right? And you're gonna also revisit your food tracker log. And with the weight, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply add all of your weight up for the week, and then you're gonna find either the average, which the way to do that is you add all the weights up and then you divide by 7, or you just find the median weight. And the way you do that is you just write every weight down for every day of the week, and then you find the highs and lows and you cross them out until you get to the middle number, right? That's all you have to do with this, and you're gonna just see at the end of the 2 weeks what was your trend. Did your weight stay practically the same? If so, then you found your calorie maintenance. If it went down, then you're already in a deficit. If it went up, then you're at a surplus. Okay, so find the maintenance, and then all you have to do is simply eat a little bit less. So after the 2 weeks are up, you go and you find, okay, I ate this food right here in the evening. I don't really need to eat, like, for example, 2 pieces of chocolate. I can only eat one. You reduce the calories, and that's gonna put you in a calorie deficit. And that's all you have to do in the terms of calories and nutrition, okay? Now, step number 2 is you have to train intensely. Okay, there's no other way around it. If you're a complete beginner, you don't have to train intensely. You can just go through the motions, learn the exercises, make sure that you're doing proper form, right? Make sure that you're doing the exercises with proper form. But if you're already a bit intermediate or advanced, you have to train intensely. Train very close to failure or to failure. Train a muscle group 2 times a week. Do between 6 to 30 reps. Do around 1 to 3 sets per exercise, and that's it. That's all you have to do. If you just follow these 2 steps, right? You put yourself in a calorie deficit and you train intensely, you're gonna look way better in by the time summer comes around, right? In 3 to 4 months. Now, you might be asking yourself, oh, but I'm not gonna achieve my absolute perfect 10 out of 10 dream physique in 3 months. Yeah, sure, you're not. But guess what? You can look better, right? In 3 months. You don't have to have a 10 out of 10 physique in 3 months because it's gonna take you some time. But you can definitely look better than you do right now. Okay? If you're fat right now, if you're overweight as a business owner, you can lose 5 to 10 pounds within the next 3 months. That is very doable. Okay? And I just literally outlined exactly what you need to do with these 2 steps. Okay? So do this. Just follow it. Don't question it because I've already went through this process 8 years ago. I know exactly what you're struggling with, what you need to do to achieve your goals. So simply follow it. You can save this video and come back to it and then watch it again and again as many times as you need to. Now, if you want to get to your dream aesthetic body faster in a mentorship setting, one-to-one with me, just check out the description. Give this video a like, subscribe if you enjoyed it, watch the video on the screen, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.